Did you know you can listen to ISBA CLE programs for MCLE credit anytime, anywhere? You can earn CLE credit while working out, commuting, or working in the yard. It's just like listening to a podcast. Follow these easy steps to access ISBA's audio CLE. We recommend using your members-only 15 hours of free on-demand CLE, sponsored by the ISBA Mutual Insurance Company. Under the CLE and Events menu item on the ISBA website, select On-Demand CLE. Next, select a program. You may sort the programs using the filters to find specific topics of interest in these ways: by keywords in the title box, by topic, or by type of professional responsibility credit. For this demonstration, we'll select the topic Law Office Management. Next, select a specific course and click on the course title for a description of the program. I'm selecting Reducing Workplace Stress and Anxiety. To use your free CLE to order the program, select the green button. If you are not logged in, log in now. If you are already logged in, don't worry if the button says to sign in to use free CLE. It will work when you select the green button and will allow you to proceed. If you don't remember your ISBA login, follow the instructions on the screen to reset your password or call for assistance. Select the green Confirm button to complete your order. After a short video from ISBA's free CLE sponsor, the ISBA Mutual Insurance Company, you may select the Continue to Content button. To choose the audio format, click on the Audio Only box with Sound Volume icon. The next web page gives you two options. You may listen to the audio on your device while connected to your home or office internet, or even your cellular data plan. Or you may download the MP3 audio file to your device to listen anytime without the need to use data. Materials and speaker biographies are available for viewing or downloading under the Resources and Overview tabs of the Audio Only and/or the Video Presentation section, so be sure to access them. If you need to listen to the program later or in segments, the course will be available to you until it expires in the online catalog, typically 2 years after the program recording date, but you must complete the certification process to earn MCLE credit. The date you complete certification will be the date the credit is awarded. You can access the course at any time prior to its expiration via your MyCLE account on the ISBA's main drop-down navigation menu. After completing the program, return to the program page through your MyCLE account on the ISBA website to evaluate the program and earn your MCLE certificate. Only those attendees who have completed certification by accessing their certificate will receive MCLE credit and be included in ISBA reports to the MCLE board.